Here's how you can create 2 weeks of DJ content in a few hours or maybe even a little bit less. First step, dedicate some time. Take an afternoon to just really create some content. As a DJ, your content is basically a new form of your marketing. So it's really important to maybe set aside some time and just really think about how it can put effort into making something that you're proud of. Remember back in the day, people used to hand out club flyers to folks that were trying to go out and party? Content for you as a DJ is your modern day club flyer. And if you don't know what a club flyer is, good for you, young person. Now that you got that time set aside, here's how I would structure the time to make sure you're getting as much content created as possible. First things first, I would spend 1 hour brainstorming ideas. Really think about who you want to get in front of with this content that you're making. And while you're brainstorming, make sure you jot down all the different ideas for your mixes, DJ tips you want to share, or just ways you want to entertain general music fans as a DJ. Next, I'd spend another hour scripting those videos. If you're making mixes, make sure you get your music together so you don't have to scramble when it's time to record. And if you're going to talk to the camera, make sure you just write the main points down. You don't have to do everything word for word, but it's better to have something put together than nothing. After that, this is the hardest part. You got to film the content. But if you do this right and you make sure you do the planning, you can really produce 2 weeks of content in a single day. Don't worry, we're almost done. Now finally, the last step here is to really hunker down after you filmed everything and edit all the videos. Whether you want to do it on your phone, you want to sit down and do it on your computer, whatever works for you, just take some time and edit all the videos. Pro tip, I like to actually throw every video that I recorded into a single timeline and just run through the whole thing in processing all the videos, doing one step at a time. So first step, I'll just cut everything down, take out all the pieces that are messed up, or just pull apart the best clips. Second time, I'll run through to make sure it's really, really tight and it's really clean and all the audio sounds right. The third step, I'll do flavor pass to make sure it looks the way I want to, like adjusting colors and putting in graphics. And then the last step is I'll watch it again to make sure that it's good enough. And export. And just like that, bam! You got 2 weeks of DJ content done in just one afternoon. Look at you go. You're going crazy. Look at you doing that shit. If content creation feels stressful, it's probably because you're just not planning it out. Give yourself some time, follow a simple process, and turn DJ content, doing this whole thing, turn into something not that you have to do, but something that you get to do. You know what I'm saying? Have fun with it, be authentic, and catch y'all in the next video. Peace. I almost fell.